Hey guys, and welcome back to another video from KittenCraft1. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw ponies from My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic. I watched that show a lot. You may think that's stupid, but once you watch it, if you're a girl about 8, 9, and 10, you're probably going to like it. So, I'm going to show you how to draw about maybe 3 of them. So, yeah, let's get started. So, just get a pencil or a pen. If you're really good at drawing, then you can get a pen. And so, it's best to turn your paper like this. And so, I start out like that. And then I will draw a little bump right there for the nose. And then after that, I go over, then go up, and draw another bump for the ear, and then go back over. That's not exactly my best work, but these two sides, it's best if they both look almost exactly the same. Also, for the mouth, draw that, smile, right here, eye, draw 2 little dots right there, and do that. Right now, I'm going to draw Twilight Sparkle. See, right now, for the ear, you just draw a little line right there. Now, go from like about right here, and go down like that, and go back up for part of the mane. And then go back down here, come down, and go back up. And there you go, there's the head. And I'm not quite finished yet because I'm going to do the body too. So, you come from about here, you go out, go like that. Something about like that. You can make a little bigger, a little smaller. Then the feet, you can draw something like that. You can change it up a little, this is just my way. See it? You may find this may not look very much like Twilight Sparkle, but for the tail, go down, over, then up. She's not finished yet though. If you're talking about the Princess Twilight Sparkle, then I'll draw a wing. Oh, cutie mark. There. And then her horn, of course. A trusty old horn. And you can also draw like there's magic coming out of it like that. And then put a book right here. Don't forget at drawing books. And I'll put words on it, then put that little swirly magic around it. And so, I think that's Twilight Sparkle finished. There we go. And she isn't really my best work, but there's another one I do like where she makes a little bit more better. Alright, now we're going to draw Rainbow Dash. And you start out the same way. Bump, nose, over, up, there. Now for the mouth, go. Draw a little line up, and then go like that. That's a big smile. Okay, that wasn't a good one. Way too big smile. I know your parents may tell you, like, smile, big smile, but on ponies it does not look that good with a really big smile. So let's retry this. Now, draw a bump, down, up, down, there, and a smaller smile. And then for Rainbow Dash, I usually make her like she's looking down while she's flying. Something like that. It looks very, kind of looks scary. It's not supposed to look scary. And there's her hair. Something like that. And then go over the front. And same kind of feet as Twilight would, unless you're going to make her fly. But right now, Rainbow Dash's wings are just up, like she's about ready to fly. Never forget her awesome cutie mark. Then for the tail, almost the same as Twilight, except for it's just like that. Just like that. There. It says Rainbow Dash. Finished. So you can put her name at the top if you want. Rainbow Dash. Alright. I'm about to probably draw everybody's favorite. Do you think you can guess who that is? It's Pinkie Pie. The one who makes you laugh and makes you happy. And so, I hope you like this one, because it's one of the easiest ones to draw, and one of my favorites. My favorite is, well, I have three favorites. It's Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash, and Twilight, which are the ones I'm going to be drawing today. And I like to draw her eyes closed like that, then do something like that. Hold up with that little thing. Now her ears all swirly like that. Maybe this. Then body. Then, of course, a swirly curly tail. Balloons as her cutie mark. And, yeah, she's a pretty easy one to draw. Pinkie Pie. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope I will see you next time. And so, comment, like, and subscribe. And hopefully I will see you next time. Bye!